Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to track a draw request on Fundbox. So you've requested funds from Fundbox, great. But now, how do you know when it hits your account? Let's walk through how to track your draw request step by step. First step is going to be to log into your Fundbox account. So go ahead and head over to fundbox.com and sign in with your business credential. Next, navigate to the activity or transactions tab. Now from your dashboard, go to the section that's labeled Activity, Draw History, or Transactions. This is where all of your recent draw requests are recorded. Step 3 is to locate your draw requests. Now find the specific draw request by checking the date, the amount, and the status next to the transaction. Next up is to check the status. The draw status is going to show as one of the following: either processing, which means that Fundbox is reviewing or initiating the transfer, or scheduled, which means that the draw is scheduled for a future date, complete, which means that the funds has been transferred to your bank, or it could be failed/cancelled, which means something went wrong and you need to check your notifications. Fifth step is to click for details. Now, clicking the transaction is going to give you more details, including estimated delivery dates as well as any repayment terms. A few tips and reminders. Now, most draws are funded within 1 business day, but of course, bank delays may occur, so that might extend it to take much longer. If your draw says failed, you want to double check your linked bank accounts. Also, you want to enable email or SMS alerts to stay updated in real time. Tracking your funding is easy when you know exactly where to look. If you like this guide, then hit that like button and stick around for the next tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.